Hello everyone, it's Tom here. Today I'm going to quickly show you how you can access the subscribers list on your YouTube channel. So first of all, open the browser. Doesn't have to be Safari, it could be Chrome, any other browser would do. Go to youtube.com, and if you haven't already signed into a YouTube account, go ahead, do that on the top right corner. I've already done that. And under here in this menu, you choose YouTube Studio Beta. Once you've got to this area, obviously you can see the information on your channel. The first page that you landed on is the dashboard. And then you want to go to the bottom and access the Creator Studio Classic. On here you will find that you have a section called Community. Click on that. Subscribers. Here you can then see all your subscribers. You have an option of showing the most recent first, or you could show the most popular first. Now there are a few things that you need to know about your subscribers list. According to YouTube, the list will only show subscribers who've chosen to make their subscription public. And by default, when you sign up a YouTube account, this setting is set to a private. And also, if their account's been suspended, it won't show on the list. And if you have more than 1,000 subscribers, your subscribers list may not show all your subscribers. So this is it. If you have any questions, drop me a line. Hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please give me a like and subscribe. See you next time.